Alright, so these are tires Mark's putting on, and this is what it's gonna go with. So you guys ready for this?
Perfect.
Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is a special day. We're actually going to be picking up my brother's E92 335. Alright, so today he actually wants to mount his brand new Vossen wheels. So we're going to be putting those in the car, loading it up and having it balanced at Precision. He just did a bunch of work to it at Precision Sport Industries in Orlando. So right now we're about to head out, leave right now and go pick up the car. So stay tuned. Oh, by the way, if you guys have not subscribed to the channel as yet, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, all right? So right now, we're going to head over to PSI and check out the shop. All right. So we're ready up now. Mark, big up.
All on YouTube?
Yep. All right, so the car is loaded right now. Space kind of tight, but we're going to make it work. So, I don't know how we're going to fit, but, you know, help us smart up yourself. And yeah, let's see how we get this journey going. The physical abuse my brother is putting me through on my knees. Yeah. All thanks to Mark. Give thanks.
It's just for a little bit.
Alright. But yeah, tires are loaded up. And it's going to be a pretty easy drive. How many minutes to get there?
45 top.
Yeah, 45 minutes to an hour. So let the good times roll. Except the road. Yeah, man.
Perfect.
Alright guys, we're here. PSI. There's some nice cars outside. First time here. There's Adam LZ's cars. Yeah, we're gonna park up and go inside. Here it is actually. Everything's done. So yeah, so he got his valve cover replaced, spark plugs, did an alignment, got an oil change, and we're gonna get his wheels mounted right now. So he's in the office talking to them, so just gonna check out and see, you know, other cars they have in the parking lot. Pretty cool. How many people have seen a E30 this clean? So sick. Thoughts, comments? Yes, it's pretty clean. Yeah, so this shop is known for working on and tuning BMWs. They do a lot of upgrades, performance mods, maintenance, everything you can think of. That's pretty cool. So these are tires Mark's putting on, and this is what it's gonna go with. So you guys ready for this? Oh yeah.
Damn!
his car. Are you happy so far, sir?
I need to drive it first.
Yeah. Right now we're just waiting on the wheels to get mounted. Yeah, hopefully we don't have any issues of oil leaking.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. What's the next mod after this?
Probably exhaust, but honestly I just want to drive it.
Okay. And you're gonna mount the wheels when tomorrow?
Probably tomorrow.
No. We're doing the wheel cells, right?
Yeah. Doing that as well.
Yeah. So I'm really curious to see how the wheels look on the car. I'm very excited. Hopefully, even on the stock suspension, it still should have a nice fitment.
It should look pretty good.
The back is low, so we'll see. Nice little lineup here outside the shop. What do you guys think? Yeah, I just saw this E30 M3 that they have hiding. What do you guys think about this? I think it's pretty sick. PSIs are pretty nice shop, very clean, very good customer service. Definitely recommend it to you guys if you're in the Orlando, Daytona, even the Tampa area. You know, really cool guys. Alright guys, so just leaving PSI shop right now. As I said, pretty cool atmosphere, pretty cool shop. Definitely gonna be back. To do some things to my car. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about today's vlog. Yeah, right now we're just gonna head back, pick up some food. There's a nice little Puerto Rican spot that Mark told me about. So yeah, we're gonna grab some food and yeah, head back home. Yes sir, we'll get some Puerto Rican food right now. Good stuff, right Mark? Yeah. Alright, so food is secure. And now time to head home. Alright guys, so it's been a really long day. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. As I said before, please remember to like, share and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, we're gonna have a lot coming up in the next couple weeks. Yeah, just stay tuned for more and keep watching, and yeah, hopefully we can keep it going. Alright guys, so see you later. Peace.